Another point of interest here. Penny's a good mountain dog. We got the little tiger. So just in case you're wondering. Yes, there are snakes in these rocks. Lots of them. Ooh, that's another little hideout there. But it's February 11th, so they should be deep in dens right now. How cool is that? Weston, come look at this other side.
I'm coming. I'm going to the other side. Let's see this first. Dad.
Come here, lion. You like blend in. You're like good camouflage today. Who's that?
I'm gonna get down. How on earth am I supposed to get over here?
No, go put your head through the hole.
Hey.
There goes Caden.
Sup?
Sup, man?
How you doing? Okay, then I'm coming over there.
Beautiful. Here, go up this way. Go up this way. You don't need to go down there. Where'd Penny go? There's Penny. Is your boot falling off? Looks like you need to pull your boot on.
Oh, I also found one down here.
Good for you. Okay, come on, Kimmy.
You might have more.
Whoa!
We were on this way when we were just right there.
Well, if we went that way, it would have been more of a...
I saw a clue. I see a clue. There's an arrow.
Whoa, I see it! Oh my gosh! There's an arrow!
Where?
Okay, Weston, I'm sorry I called you. I'm sorry.
Don't stop!
Me and Abby thought you were crazy for a minute.
See? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh yeah. Okay.
I see it.
So just respect it though, okay? Yeah, there's lots of different petroglyphs out here.
Okay, now I have to go to the other one.
It points that way.
Well, why do you think they draw an arrow? Weston.
Signify.
Weston. Why do you guys think they draw an arrow?
To signify that
We're going that way. Can we go that way?
Well,
life is good, I know.
Well, I don't know. Did Native Americans use arrows?
Yes, they did. They used
I bet
three.
arrows were pretty important to them, right?
So that, well, an arrow means that way, but
Actually, there's like that,
Well, it's,
that straight line, that. Come see.
Yeah, I see it. I wonder if that's a modern day.
It's like this,
Yeah, I see the fletching on it. Yeah, I see the fletching on it. Where's the point?
and then
Point right there. But then when I also see it looks like there's some, it looks like there's a T and a T right there to me. So I'm not sure if that's a modern day petroglyph or
Okay,
something
now I have to go to the other.
it was a modern day petroglyph.
Native American carve.
You guys, I'm mostly not.
All right, I'm signing out, okay?
Bye.
But we'll call you back